Hey, hello, how are you? Fine? Excellent. Today we are going to continue practicing phonology. Here we go. Open your book to page 37, spelling lesson 3. Writing our words. Listen and pronounce. Listen and write. Step 1 and turn the book upside down and listen and write. This is step number 2. Okay? Turn the book upside down. Okay? Here we go. Listen and pronounce. Listen and repeat.
Lesson 3. The words you will hear are not necessarily in the same order as the ones in the book. Watch out for the missing word. Visors. Visors. Burrows. Burrows. Squeeze. Squeeze. Surface. Surface. Capsule. Capsule. Somersault. Somersault. Overshoes. Overshoes. Astronauts. Astronauts. Oxygen. Oxygen. Hoses. Hoses. Flash. Flash.
Okay. If you have any questions, let me know by email or by platform. And remember, life doesn't have to be perfect to be wonderful. Have a nice day. Goodbye. Bye bye.